incubation tank for labar, that is drinking yogurt making machine. So the pasteurized milk at 45 degrees Celsius temperature is put into this. Then whatever culture, prescribed culture is added to that, and it is kept for certain period, almost like 24 hours. And after that, it is transferred to this. This is the storage tank where it is ready. And from there, it is filled in cups.